A blank wall is like a blank canvas. It's filled with possibilities. Here at AllHome, we'll show you some ways to decorate a blank wall. It can be frustrating to stare at a blank wall. Make sure that whatever you fill your wall with not only looks good, but also goes with everything else in your living space. Let's get started! Hanging a large wall art piece is the easiest way to decorate a blank wall. It's a great way to add appeal to the room because it serves as the centerpiece that draws everyone into the room. If having a big wall art is not for you, you can try mix and matching smaller artworks. We like to use artworks in different sizes for some contrast and scale. When it comes to wall decor ideas that don't involve pieces of artwork, why not try placing mirrors? They open up the room by giving the illusion of a large space. You can experiment with various combinations and layouts of mirrors, or just opt to select one huge one. Much like large artwork, clocks are unique wall decor ideas that bring a touch of life to the room. Plus, they're usually very affordable. If you're looking for items to fill your home, look no further than AllHome. You can also visit our website at allhome.com.ph and use this voucher code to get $200 off on your order. You can also visit our Shopee and Lazada shops at AllHome Official. I hope you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AllHome's YouTube channel. We have prepared a lot of home tips for you and can't wait to share them with you. See you in our next video.